Can I add Sonos speakers to my bathroom, or do they need to be waterproof? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's episode. Let's go. All right, welcome back, Dream Media family. So the question is, do these Sonos speakers, or these speakers in general, need to be waterproof to be in your bathroom? Today, I'm going to dive into that answer. It's not quite yes or no, because it depends on where they're at in the bathroom. If we're going to be putting the speakers in the shower, like say if we wanted to put it in the ceiling, in the sheetrock right here next to this can light above my shower, which honestly, I've thought about doing. If I would have built this house from the ground up, I probably would have terminated 2 speaker wires there for a dual voice coil in ceiling weatherproof speaker. So in the shower, the answer is always going to be yes, you must use a waterproof speaker. Now, Sonos makes the control platform is the way I want you guys to look at it, right? Sonos does make speakers, and we can make those wireless, wired, waterproof, or not, okay? So I want you to look at Sonos as more of the ecosystem that controls any speakers that you want to put into these placeholders in your bathroom, whether that's in the shower, over the tub, or over the vanity. Back to the question at hand, do they need to be waterproof? In the shower, yes. In other locations throughout the bathroom, the answer is no. With a caveat. If you have a steam shower or you like to, leave all the windows shut, you don't have ventilation, if your ceiling gets a lot of humidity, if you're steaming up the room, the entire bathroom frequently, then I would recommend getting in-ceiling speakers for the bathroom itself, the vanity station, and the shower. Typically speaking, though, we only put waterproof speakers in the shower, and then for the vanity, the tub, the closet, we put standard in-ceiling speakers just because of the cost. Now, if we wanted to, we could easily put waterproof in-ceiling speakers throughout the bathroom, over the tub, vanity, shower, and the closet just to be safe. And still, I want to emphasize this, have control through Sonos. So if you found this video because you were curious if you could put Sonos in your bathroom, the answer is yes. But what I would recommend is you consult with my specialist and we pick out the proper waterproof speakers, whether that's 2 mono speakers creating stereo audio or a dual voice coil in-ceiling speaker like I discussed before, which is a left and a right in one in your shower. We'll discuss those options with you. Talk about your goals, your level of expectation, what you've had before. I have homeowners that sometimes will put in TVs in the shower, TVs over the tub. We've put in subwoofers in bathrooms for guys who like a little bass when they're getting ready. So we'll listen to you, and then we'll take your room design and make some recommendations that are tailored specific to your exact needs and budget. So I hope you guys found this video informative in helping you make a buying decision on your next set of bathroom speakers. Keep in mind, Dream Media does the entire house, everything technology related that you need for your home, whether that's a home theater, outdoor entertainment, whole house audio, or just Wi-Fi, networking, your infrastructure for your lighting design and your shades. We have you covered from top to bottom. If you're interested in something like that, the full home system design, ask our specialist about our Dream Media Plus program. We go above and beyond for you guys to create the full-blown system design. We lay out where every single wire needs to go in the entire home, as well as we create seating charts, screen size, speaker projections, 3D animation, fly-through, renderings, basically everything to plan out your dream home and ensure we have every single base covered for not only what you want to put in the home today, but what you want in the future as well. So inquire about that package if you're building your next custom home. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you'd like to, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.